Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language on macOS. To change language on macOS, go to System Preferences, then Language and Region, and now you can change the language. To do it, click on a plus here, and then select a language you want to set. Then click on Add, and you can click on Use the language that you've just chosen as your primary language, and this will change the system language, or click on Use the previous language, so it will not change the system language, but will be just another language on the list. So I'm gonna click on Use Spanish, and now I need to restart my computer to apply the changes. And I can also change the order of languages like that. And to remove a language, click on it, then click on a minus. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.